We're going to give you a full review and lock demonstration of the single-sided Mul-T-Lock Cronus deadbolt. With many methods of breaking into homes, such as lock bumping, picking, and breaking down doors becoming more prevalent, accessible, and easy to do, high-security locks have never been more important and more in demand. Mul-T-Lock provides you with a full high-security package, including high-security anti-duplication keys that require a special code and special machine to cut. Getting a high-security lock like this with the whole high-security system is hands down the best way to elevate your security and give you more peace of mind. A high-security lock, such as a Mul-T-Lock, aims to elevate every single aspect of what you find in a traditional lock. Every part in this lock set is more robust, stronger, and heavier. A single-cylinder Mul-T-Lock deadbolt such as this is perfect for protecting your residential or commercial property. They can also be installed on a variety of door thicknesses. You can see the tech here equipping the lock to fit a door that is a bit thinner. This type of lock has an upgraded cylinder protector, steel core rosettes, stylish design, and even has a locking bolt that's reinforced with a hardened steel insert. If you are new to lock installation, we highly recommend that you use a screwdriver and not a drill. Mul-T-Lock cylinders are also equipped with Mul-T-Lock's unique high-precision Pin Tumbler system. This is what allows these locks to be bump resistant and pick resistant. Equipping your location with a high-security lock such as a Mul-T-Lock is one of the best ways you can elevate your security. In a world where it's unfortunately easy and accessible to bump locks and pick locks, high-security locks have never been more important. Getting yourself a Mul-T-Lock would be a great decision. This is 911 Locksmith. Thank you for watching.